Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So it's been really long time since I uploaded a video on my channel. So this is the one. This was taken just before the Ganesha Chaturthi. I had very little time to make my own idol of Ganesha this time. So what I did is I came across this DIY mold Ganesha mold to make one idol. So I just placed an order in Itsy Bitsy website and I got it in just one day. So this box contains one Ganesha mold, one instruction pamphlet and little cotton and one pack of natural clay. So this has really come for a good use for me. This takes hardly 1 day 24 hours to dry. So first what we have to do is take a mold, dip a cotton ball in a oil, any oil for that matter, vegetable oil, coconut oil or any oil, and just dip a little bit of oil in the cotton ball and just wipe it inside the mold, and then open this packet, clay packet, and just add a little bit of cotton with the clay, little bit of cotton with the little bit of clay, and just start kneading it. So why we use cotton here is because usually what happens is when you use a natural clay, as you start making idol or anything from the natural clay, as it starts drying, it will leave a crack. So to avoid this and give a smooth finishing, we add cotton. So here I have taken clay and the cotton and I've kneaded very well, and kneading actually makes the clay very soft. So the more you knead, the more softer the clay gets, and it will help you put the clay into the mold easily. So this is how I kneaded, and actually you have to put a little by little of the clay into the mold because you can't do it once in a time. So I'm taking a little amount of clay and putting it inside. But the mistake what I've done here is, since I used my fingers to put oil, I have applied a little more of oil and the clay is coming out when I'm trying to put it inside. So that's why I mentioned you to use cotton ball to put in oil. So it'll just take a little bit of oil. Don't put too much of oil, because once if there is a more oil, the clay will start coming out immediately. So this is a mistake which I have done. So please don't do that. Just put very little amount of oil in it. So like this, little by little, cover whole mold and remove the extras in the corner, which you can see over there. Just remove the extras. Once you finish putting the clay into the mold, the next thing you have to do is put the mold upside down like this on a sheet of paper or on the box. But be careful when you're putting it like this, and then take some amount of clay and knead it well to make it as a mandap for the idol which you have already created. Make a box or rectangular thing and make a hole in the middle so that it will fit the idol which you have already created. Make it very smooth and put the idol into this and merge the clay behind, not in the front but in the behind. May give it a smooth finish by rubbing on it, just like this. So now we are done with the mandap and the idol. So I will keep the idol to dry for another 24 hours and then paint it with the white color, acrylic color or gesso. You can do this. Once it's dried, then you can use acrylic color of your choice and then paint it like this smoothly. You can also add kundans and etc. So final look of the Ganesha is here. Thank you.